How to change WhatsApp location to satellite in maps. So if someone sends you a location on your WhatsApp, so let's say you just got this type of location on WhatsApp and I want to change location from ordinary location to satellite just like this, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I download this, you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If the location is a live location, you might not be able to change the location to satellite if the location has been revoked or the live location has been stopped. So if the location has been stopped or the live location has been revoked, so you need to either use live location when it is active or use current location when shared. Now to change from maps to satellite, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp app on your phone, locate the account where the map is sent, then go ahead and open the maps. Once open the maps like this is what you're going to have for the first time. Now to switch from maps to satellite, all you just need to do is come here and click on satellite. Then you should see the satellite version of the maps just like this. If you click on the share button at the bottom left here, open in Google Maps or open in Maps, you're not going to see the satellite version in Google Maps. If you click on the share button and open in Maps, then this is what you're going to have exactly on the maps. So for you to be able to switch between maps and satellite, you have to remain on the WhatsApp maps on your phone. So once you open the maps, just switch between maps, hybrid, as well as satellite. So that is basically how to switch or change location on WhatsApp from maps to hybrid or from maps to satellite. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.